I will be showing you how to get a print started on the Ender 3 3D printer. You can find thousands of free files online. I really like Thingiverse and MakerWorld. There are some prints that do cost money, but usually it's only a few dollars. Once you find a print that you like, you can download it. MakerWorld makes you solve a little puzzle, but you don't have to have an account to download the files. After you have downloaded the files, you have to extract the file from the compressed folder. Open your File Explorer, then click on the compressed folder, then go to the top and click Extract All. After you have done that, you can close the File Explorer. Next, you'll have to open your file in a slicer of your choice. I prefer Cura. Once you have the slicer open, you should be able to move everything around. Go to the top and click File, then Open Files. Click on the file you want to print, then hit Open. You should be able to move around and see your model. Once you have your model imported, you need to slice it. Go to the top and click the down arrow. For a print like this, I like to print it at 10% infill. I also have support and adhesion turned on. After you have your settings adjusted, go ahead and click Slice. After it slices, it will show you how long it will take and how much filament it will use. You can hit Preview, and then you can see how your model will print. By moving the slider on the right side, you can break your model down layer by layer. Once you have done that, you will need to insert your SD card. Now that your SD card is inserted, you can click Save to Removable Drive. Then you can click Eject. Now insert your SD card into the printer. Now you can turn on your printer. When your printer turns on, hit the button, scroll down to Print for Media, and select it. Scroll down to the file you want to print, and select it. Hit the button again, and scroll down to Tune. Hit Tune, then select Speed and turn it down. I like to start at 85. Then go to Nozzle and set your temperature. For this filament, I use 215 degrees Celsius. Then change your bed temperature. I like it around 65 degrees Celsius. Now you can go back to the info screen. After your printer heats up, it'll start printing. Now you just have to wait. My printer is currently not working correctly right now, but if you do everything right, yours should work. I have printed this model before, so here it is. And that is how you start a print on the Ender 3 3D printer.